India's men's and women's hockey teams will wear saffron jerseys instead of their iconic blue kits at the FIH Hockey World Cup to be held in the Netherlands and Belgium from August 15th to 30th. The decision has triggered a debate with former players questioning the move, while Hockey India defended it as a technical requirement. According to Hockey India, the new jersey was finalized after discussions with players and support staff. The federation said the traditional blue kit blended with the blue synthetic turf used in international hockey, affecting players' visibility during matches. It added that the new design was meant to reflect India's pride and improve on-field clarity. However, several former players disagreed with the explanation. Former India captain and coach P. Bhaskaran dismissed Hockey India's reasoning, saying the national team had played on blue turf for years without any such issue. He argued that replacing the traditional blue jersey would take away the team's identity. Former World Cup winning captain Ajit Pal also questioned the decision, calling the jersey change unusual and asking why it had become necessary now.